What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're not going to get into how long it's been since I've done a video. It's been way too long. We got a couple parts in the mail, so hopefully we'll have some consistent videos coming up. That's the hard part. I mean, if I don't have anything to install, and there's not any meets or shows to go to, I got to come up with something to shoot, and I just haven't taken the time to do that. So now we got a couple parts installed today. We're going to be installing the BFI Industries shift knob. It's a weighted shift knob. So we're going to replace this one. And then we're going to get into, while we're doing that, just talking about plans I have for 2024. Like I said, I have a couple things in the mail. I'm not going to shoot, too far, hoping to get anything done. I'm just going to tell you what I already know I have planned and already have in the mail. So let's get into installing this shift knob, though, and we'll talk along the way. So first thing on this one, you just want to pull up the surround on it and lift the boot up. On the Sparko one, there's a little holder right here. You just want to take that off. You pull the boot up, or you can push it down, and you'll see the Allen wrenches. So let's see what size those are. They're going to be pretty small. Let's see if we got the right size. First try. Of course not. Not that lucky. We'll eliminate it by taking out all the big ones first. There we go. Second try, technically. Alright, so then we'll want to loosen up these Allen wrenches. There's one right here. You don't take them all the way out. You just want to get it where, well, that's no good. There's one right here. We end up pulling the knob up. There's another one right there. Easy enough. It comes off. There's that one off. All right, so we're going to keep that Allen wrench. I'm not sure what size Allen wrench the BFI comes with, so let's open this up. And here is the BFI. Polished with a black leather around it. Looks real nice. Reach in here, see what we have to install it. So we have the Allen wrenches and the action Allen head. Alright, nice. Let's take everything out of the box and set it to the side. Put this back down in there. Clean that up a little bit. Put that off to the side. Alright, so we'll take this one. Let's see how well it sits. So it already sits pretty good. What we want to do is get the shift boot all set up. We'll take this off too. That one's for the Sparko one. So we'll set that to the side. Try to stick this through the shift boot. So we're going to get it like that. Alright, so there we go. Alright. And then we're going to grab our Allen head and Allen keys out of here that BFI provided. Also provide a zip tie to kind of tighten it up around the shift boot. So that's actually comes in handy. So we'll see if we need that. We're going to take the, probably will, just knowing how it sits. Let's see. So it actually comes through this side. There's two different ones, so we'll do this back one first. This other Allen head to the side. We don't lose it. Alright, we're going to run this through there. Try to tighten it up so it doesn't spin. You're going to want to hold it so it doesn't spin on you while you're trying to tighten it up. All right, we got that one in there. Obviously, it's still spinning, but I don't want to tighten it too tight without getting this front one in there as well. So we're gonna tighten this one down a little bit. It starts getting tight. There's that. You can see it squeezing a little more. So we're tightening much by the long handle as we can. And then we're going to take the short end so we can get a little more leverage. And tighten. And tighten. I'm just going back and forth. You know, get it kind of even somewhat on both sides before, without tightening. You don't want to tighten one side too much, not the other. So I'm just going back and forth each time I do it. And that should moves a little bit, so let's see if we can get it to a little bit tightened. It just shakes a little bit. See if we can tighten it any more. Just so we get that shake out of it. It's probably going to be about as tight as we can get it. I mean, it's not going to rattle or anything, obviously, but, you know, I just heard it when I shook it back and forth, so just trying to get as tight as I can. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Like I said, we are going to need that. Most likely going to need that zip tie. And see if we can tighten the boot right around there. So when it comes down, you don't see it. So we're going to leave that there. Get this zip tie. And it was most likely, okay, we got it. I'm about to say, hopefully I didn't need to take that off. And put this zip tie. Make sure the boot's good and wrapped around this little collar where we're going to put the zip tie. Okay, there we go. Okay. Get that fed underneath the zip tie. And it's nice. So now we just got to get it and cut the extra of that zip tie. Alright, so then we'll cut this excess off. There we go. We'll put that back in there. Yeah, that's better. And there it is installed. Okay. And we actually got, instead of the BFI logo, I went and opted for the BFI 5-speed emblem to go on top. And it just comes with 3M tape or 3M adhesive that you peel off the back and you stick it on there. So to start off, since we just finished that, so as far as my goals for the car for 2024, I don't want to give away too much because I mean I want to do videos on the things that I have. Make sure we get this good and straight. There we go. That is good and straight. All right. So I actually like the feel of that a lot more than that sparkle one. It's bigger, got a better grip. The chrome and the black match the dials on the radio and the air controls and everything. I think that looks really good. So, as far as my goals for 2024, we just started with new shift knob install. BFI heavy weighted shift knob. And then also shown in past videos the side skirts that we need to get repainted. So plan is to get those repainted and installed this winter. We need to do the C notch on the passenger side to get the passenger side front sitting the way I want it. It is still hung up on the axle. So the plan is to get that done. And then another thing is that we've already got in the mail. I had to order a couple more things to get it installed. But actually, you know what? I'm going to save that for another video. That's one of the more fun ones, so I'm going to save that for another video. So be sure to check back. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Hope everybody has had a great Christmas, good start to the new year, and hopefully we'll be back with more consistent videos. Appreciate y'all stopping by. See y'all in the next one.